The trend is definitely moving towards more colorful climbing holds. We now offer 16 colors. All standards offer from black, white, red, and so on. Also, the neon colors. As you can see, it's super easy to color. The color pastes are liquid. You mix them into the polyol beforehand, which is important, then mix it well, and then you can simply create your climbing hold. You can see it's possible to make 2 colored holds. It means first pouring 1 layer, letting it harden, and then pouring the second layer behind it. You add the color paste in the range of 1 to 2%. That is more than enough. Here you can clearly see the quality difference of the colors. Our colors may be a bit more expensive, but you will need at least only half to 1/3 compared to the usual colors. It is also positive in that you do not compromise the properties of the climbing hold material with the color paste, meaning that the performance does not decrease. For example, with the red, you can add less than 1% color. It is indeed a bit more expensive, but in the end, it definitely pays off compared to a cheap color paste. As for the colors, the durability of the colors is noticeable. The climbing hold is from 2021 and now we are in 2024, so it's not an issue at all if you want to hang the holds outside. PU is not inherently UV stable, which means it will yellow over time. The neon colors will also fade a bit under light. We also offer a UV stable option that you can use, which will keep its color for about 1 to 2 years. However, there are certain colors that are simply not very suitable for outdoor use, but that's always the case.